What's going on, traders? Welcome to another video. In today's video, guys, I want us to get to talk about why taking less trades gets to increase your win rate. So there's this notion whereby there are people who get to think that every time you get to be exposed into the market, every now and then you get to increase the probability of making more money, but that's not true. And this is the reason why, if you have interacted with these professional traders, they get to sit patiently for a very, very long time before taking any trade. And you may wonder, why are these people wasting so much time before being involved in the market? This is what I will tell you. When you're still in those early stages in trading, right now, myself, I'm almost 3 years in trading. And my aha moment, that is, I started seeing some profitability consistently for the past late last year, and I've been following the same strategy over and over. And the most important thing that has really helped that to be a reality is reducing the number of trades that I get to take every single day. Previously, I was taking around 3 trades per day. Nowadays, I'm taking just 1 or 2 trades the entire week. Like for this week, the end week of May, I've just taken 1 trade that is on GBP card, and this has really helped me to eradicate those reckless trades, which could of course end up into losses. And in despite the fact that you'll be experiencing losses in trading, which is a normal thing, you find yourself that you can't get into that panic mood whereby you find yourself over trading, your revenge trading, increasing your lot size that is recklessly. And I have my trading account under control. This has been resulted because of one thing: taking less trades, and of course focusing on my A plus setups. So with taking less trades, one thing is for sure: you end up focusing on a high quality setups. Remember, quality always outweighs quantity, and this is something that really gets to take a long time for somebody to understand. And this is the reason why you find trading it's a journey where so many people get to that is to give up, because the dynamics of trading, they go against what the society or the traditional education system get to teach us. Because I remember, in the normal society, we talk about hard work pays, but if you get to bring that mentality, trust you get to bring that mentality into trading, it's going to cause more harm than good. Because in trading, you get paid for just being patient, for just being idle, and of course waiting for those setup that you are looking for. And this is the reason why so many people, if you have come across profitable traders, they always talk about profitable trading is boring, because 90% of the time you'll just be sitting around, you hook into a PC, you find the setup hasn't cooked, so you just keep up those charts until when the time will you'll get that A plus setup, of course the setup that you're looking for. And this is the reason why trading is usually related. People, they get to talk in relation to things like being a sniper. This is whereby you don't go around shooting your bullets all over the place. You just sit, be patient, and you wait for that moment where you're going to pull the trigger. And for this case, you wait for that A plus setup. So this is something that I've been trying my best to put in place. And for sure, I'll tell you for sure, previously, I've been all over the place, but I've really tried to incorporate and reduce, of course, my trades, and this has really pushed my winning rates. And also, another important thing to note is that too much analysis, this just brings confusion in your trading system. So it's very important you keep your charts very simple, so that when it comes to decision making, you don't struggle. And less complication, we're talking about using less indicators, things like there are these drawing so much lines, so much going on into the charts. This might end up confusing you. So also another important thing is whereby you get to just focus on either 2 or 3 time frame analysis, and this way you'll be having a consistent a system that you can consistently follow, so that you can get consistent results. So by talking about less trades, we are talking about whereby you won't find yourself even over trading. Remember, over trading is something that really gets to affect your discipline. Once you get overtrade, you will find yourself revenge trading. You're going back to a trade that you took a loss. You can't accept the decision, and this also gets to result to whereby you find you're not even doing proper risk management because you are risking too much in one trade, a trade which in the first place you're not supposed to be there. So overtrading, which is being exposed to being involved into the market regularly, this is something that is going to affect your trading as well as your profitability. So remember also, when it comes to the market, you really need to be patient. You need to learn to be somebody who is very, very patient. And something that have really helped me is that when you get you start seeing some consistent payout, you need to find yourself being engaged into other things. And this is the reason why I started the YouTube channel, because I have so much time. I find myself even bored. I want to go back to the chat, get to look into the chat consistently. And since once you get your edge, you know what you're doing, you don't have that setup, you need to involve yourself into other things. And that is the reason why people, they get to say trading is not for the unemployed, or trading is not for somebody who is here into the market looking to work on trading full time. I mean, as the main thing, it's important that as you get, as you are still in your early stages of learning trading, get yourself involved into other things so that you don't feel like you're just sitting around reckless, idle. You find you are busy, your mind is occupied with other things. Therefore, you can get to be patient for that A plus setup, because by sitting around, trust you me, you'll find yourself cooking setups which are even not there and trying to frustrate. So that's something that I really learned. And the earlier you get to understand that, trust you me, the earlier you're going to see some results on that. Also, another thing also to understand is that you don't need to make all the profit in just one trade. Minimize your risk so that by the end of the day you can keep improving your confidence over and over. And remember, whenever you get to put so much hope or too much money in one trade, you can't let go of that trade. This is the reason why you find people even are trailing or pushing down their stop loss when the market goes against them, because they can't let go. They can't accept that they're in the wrong, they're in the wrong position, or they're in the wrong trade, by the fact that they overrisk, that is, they placed too much hope and money in one trade. So less risk also makes the journey to be a bit slow, but trust you me, it's the only way that you're going to see progress. Unlike whereby you find somebody placing all the eggs in one trade, in case whereby that trade goes against you, you won't manage. That's something that I've really I learned the hard way, and I would suggest guys, the earlier you get to understand that, the easier it's going to become for you. That's it guys. I thank you and I appreciate you for watching this video at this far. I'll be dropping more videos on psychology, because this is what had really helped me back for those 3 years that I've been struggling in trading. And trust me guys, you don't need to focus 100% on the technicals. Try as much as possible, work on your psychology, and trust me, you're going to see your trading change in a very great way. If you're new here, don't forget to the subscribe button. Talk to me if you're a trader out there. Talk to me of your struggles, and try, and we have a conversation to help each other to move to the right direction. Peace guys for now.